Hey Ernie, my name's Vanessa and I work with Rank My Biz here in Colorado Springs. I made this video um, for you. I was doing some research in the area and I came across your website, so I thought you could use it. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. If by the end of this video you like what you see and you like what you hear, or if you'd like to know more about how Rank My Biz could help grow your business online, then give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips I've given you in this video and put them into action for yourself. All I do ask for is maybe some feedback at the end of this video if you don't mind. The 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is content, and that's basically anything visible on your front page of Google, as well as including pictures, what's behind pictures, what they're saved as, the amount of words. So you want to save pictures as keywords that people search for in Google. Another thing is Google really wants to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page. When I put your content into the word counter, it says you have 526 words. Furnace World, who's on the front page of Google, they have 2,136 words. So making sure that you have enough relevant, unique, high quality content on your front page, that really allows you to add in keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search for people that offer your services. It's really going to help you guys get found in search engines. The second thing I want to go over today is citations. So if you search for furnace repair Colorado Springs, the first thing you're going to see is this Google guaranteed section. These are businesses who paid for ads to be, or they paid for their spot here, and they've also been verified by Google. If you haven't already, I do recommend getting verified by Google. These people are getting high quality leads just because they're listed right here. If you go down a little bit more, you see the traditional ad section. This is really a hit or miss section because a lot of people have ad blockers now, or they don't press on the ones that say ad. Maybe they've had a bad experience with ads in the past. So those are really a hit or miss to get your business up and out in front of people. The next most visible section is where citations really come into play. This is called the map section, and a lot of people think that to get on this map pack you have to get reviews and good reviews, but obviously that's not true. As you can see, this person has no reviews and they're on the front page or on their map pack of Google. So citations really come in here. Citations are basically other directories where your business is listed other than Google. And you might be asking yourself, what's a directory and how do I get listed on them? Directories are simply a website out there that allows businesses to add their information and services such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, or Yelp, or any one of those websites that allows you to add your business into it. All it'll do is act as another avenue for people to reach you or find you, and the more that you have, the more likely you are to show up in this section right here. So the third and final thing I want to talk to you guys today about is backlinks, and that has a lot to do with this organic search section right here. Backlinks play a big part in getting on the front page of Google. And what a backlink is essentially is another website that's a relevant website that's linking back to you guys, saying that you guys offer furnace repair services, you're an HVAC contractor, and that sort of thing. So that brings relevance and keywords that you're trying to rank for and have people find you with. So we use this tool called Ahrefs, and I put your Leo's drains in your URL into Ahrefs, and it shows kind of like the backstage of your web page. And here you can see you have 702 backlinks. And I do want to mention all backlinks are not created equal. There could be more relevant sites that are pointing back to yours that will rank higher than, say, some site that's not really relevant. And it shows me how many keywords you're using and ranking for. And it also shows me how many people are coming to your page every month. I also put in your number one competitor. They have 649 backlinks, but like I said, all backlinks are not created equal. So you could have irrelevant sites pointing back to your site, and that will really kind of tear away at, kind of be useless in backlinks terms. You really want high quality backlinks, and that'll help you rank and get more traffic into your site. So if you like what we've talked about today, go ahead and give me a call. I really look forward to hearing from you, Ernie. Have a wonderful day. Bye.